dolls, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Brown. So, as you've seen, the title, your summertime must-haves is this video. I've heard you girls, you asked me, what are we wearing this summer? I said, girl, look, I'm pulling stuff up out my closet. I ain't spending a whole lot of money, okay? But if I do spend money, it will be on staple pieces for my wardrobe. But I'm starting out with things straight out of my closet. And I wanted to share them with you because you wanted to know what we wearing this summer, honey. If we go somewhere, if we just chilling, these are some pieces that I think you should have in your closet this summer. So let's get started, all right? So first things first, if you are a chocolate doll like me, I say you need you some braids and a protective style this summer. So I got the knotless boho style braids, and you might see that all summer long with me. That's just where I'm at right now, braids, okay? So next thing, what I got on before we get started, I did my Louis Vuitton scarf around my head, button-up shirt that I had cut, remember? And I have my black shorts on as well. So it is a whole vibe. This is my summertime essential look. You might see me with my Daisy Dukes and my little button-down shirt and some on my head, some sunglasses. It's going to be very simple this summer. But let's get started with the things that I picked out of my closet to share with you. Before we get started, don't forget, like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. All right, girls, first things first, we're gonna work our way with the clothes and then accessories. All right, you working with me? All right, so first things first, I say all girls need some good denim shorts in their wardrobe. You need some good denim shorts. So every summer, I always get a new pair of denim shorts. Just because, girl, your girl wore these out all summer long. You hear me? Even spring, and girl, I'm probably threw them on in the winter with some tights. Don't judge me. But yes, so I'm telling you, get you a good pair. That if you're not the girl that like them short, then get a little longer. They're definitely bringing out the longer shorts. I've seen some at H&M. I've seen some at Zara. So if you're looking for a longer length short, go grab you some at those places. But yeah, or cut you some. Go to the thrift store, get some jeans and cut you some. Save a coin. You know your girl is all about saving a good coin. But yeah, so definitely denim jeans, denim shorts for the summer. And if you're wearing jeans, have them light color jeans for the summer. Some girls still wear their jeans in the summer, you know, at night, throw your heels on, cute little top. You still can do that. Don't trip. It just depends on where you stay. Next thing is, you know your girl love her scarves. I say this is why I rack up on scarves. I have a lot of luxury scarves, but you don't have to have that. I've seen some beautiful scarves over at H&M. Grab you some scarves, your sunglasses. It's a whole look. We're doing a lot this summer with our scarves, so don't sleep on it. Go ahead and grab you scarves quickly. So what I would say is get some big, larger scarves so you can wear them as shirts, skirts, headscarves. Okay? Thank me later. Okay, next thing is oversized button-up shirts. You see how I cut mine? I cut mine, thrift store. You can wear them long, oversized as a dress with your shorts, as a cover-up. You can do so much with your white button-down shirt. This was $3.99 at the thrift store in the men department. So don't sleep on your white button-downs. It just ties the look together, okay? So grab you a few of these. I get makeup on mine. So the trick that I learned over on Instagram was, girl, spray some Got To Be holding spray around that collar, and it will protect your white collar shirts. I'm like, Thank you. Thank you for that tip. So yeah, grab you a couple of white button-down shirts. Next thing, these are all stuff up at my closet. Listen, get you some sundresses. Sundresses, colorful. You see we got color going on. Get you some colorful sundresses. This here, I think I got it from Pretty Little Thing. I'm sorry, Pretty Little Thing. But yeah, grab you some sundresses. Sundresses is gonna be your best friend when you don't want to put a lot on. I've had this a long time. It's one of my favorites. I would never get rid of this because I can wear this as a kimono or a dress. I've had this so long, I don't even know where I got it from. But it's so long and flowy, give you a little boob action if you want that, or you can put a little tank under there. But I'm telling you, get you some sundresses for the summer. I'm pretty sure you already got some in your closet. This is stuff that I'm, like I said, pulling straight out my closet. Next thing, get you some solid color dresses. When I tell you, they're gonna be your best friend. You could throw these on with some flats, some tennis shoes, all that good stuff. When I say, grab you some colored dresses. I think I got this from True Professional. Super cute and comfy. Grab you some. Go over to True Professionals. Y'all know I got a discount code with them. Brown. Tell them I sent you. So we got that. Then last for clothes is grab you your kimonos. Don't sleep on the kimonos. And you know your girl has the kimono brand, so you can go over to the Tailored Luxe over on Instagram and grab you your kimono. But these kimonos are going to be lifesavers this summer. You're going to be able to do so much. If you're going on vacation, these are easy transition looks. You can wear these as dresses. You can wear these as cover-ups with your swimsuit. You can wear these just as a statement piece over your basic color dress. You could do so much with kimonos. So grab you some and thank me later. Okay, I still got some in stock. So grab you some. Next thing is we're going into our accessories. All right, so on accessories, this go around, we're gonna do a lot of colors. Pull out your color bags. So you know I got this one from Coach. Pull your color bags out. These are going to be statement colors and pieces for the summer. Reds, orange, yellows, pinks are your summer colors, okay? Grab some. Y'all will thank me later. I did see a dupe at Walmart, so don't trip. If you don't want to get the Coach, go over to Walmart. They had a lot of different colors. Ball caps. Ball caps are going to definitely be a grab and go. The girls are dressing these ball caps up now with their heels, their tanks, their jeans, their biker shorts. I mean, all the things you could do with a ball cap. So grab you a few colored ball caps. Your colorful bags. Pull out those big colorful bags. You're going to the beach. You're going on vacation. Grab your big colorful bags. This is your season for it. This is the time to get into your big designer bags. Even your Never Full. I didn't pull that, but your Never Full is great because of traveling. Traveling, you know, you're going to throw all that stuff in there. Grab your big bags for that. I even pulled this red. Like I said, red is going to be the color as well. So grab your bags. Y'all know I got my little crossover. This is if you're going to amusement parks this summer, just out and about, and you don't want to have big bags. Make sure you have this for your cards and little small essentials. So that's my fave. All right, what else? Let me grab. All right, so now down to some shoes. It's platform time. Grab your platforms, pull them out. This is the summertime. This is when your girls are wearing their platform shoes. If you're a wedge girl, pull your wedges out. I'm not really a wedge girl, but I do like a good platform. So grab your platforms. It's that time, baby. So don't trip. Get your platforms. What else, girl? You know, your girl just got to make sure you ready. You got your stuff. We got our tennis shoes. Remember the Gucci tennis shoes? Grab your tennis shoes. This is the time to get your wear in on your tennis and stuff like that, girl. When I tell you, that is going to be the go-to. Don't sleep on your flats and your slide-ins. Y'all, these are some of my favorite. I got these last summer from H&M. And when I say I love these, I wish I got them in all colors. If I see them, if you see them, let me know. I want black. I want any color that these come in because they're so comfy. And I got them on today. Okay. All right. So our next thing is sunglasses. You know your girl love a good sunglass. If you're not ready to spend a lot of money on sunglasses, run over to Forever 21, run over to H&M, get you your sunglasses. I seen a lot of cute ones when I was out and browsing and just trying to see what the summer vibe was. They have a lot of them. If you're not ready for your designer sunglasses, run over and get them. And don't sleep on Amazon. Amazon has a lot of different dupes of sunglasses. So don't sleep on your sunglasses, girl. You know how I feel about, let me sit them down. You know how I feel about a good sunglass, girl. So you see how that just takes anything to the next level? Throw your sunglasses on. Get you some big oversized sunglasses this summer if you ain't already got them in your closet. All right, so I tried to go through this as fast as possible because I don't want you to be here all day. So hopefully we got it. We got our colorful bags. We got our denim shorts. We got our kimonos, our sundresses, our colorful bags, baby. That's what's going to be in. Them colorful bags with a basic look with your colorful bag is going to be a hit. All right, so what else? Let me take these out. What else? Last but not least, I think all the girls need ankle bracelets. Ankle bracelets takes your look to the next level in the summer, honey. I love a good ankle bracelet. This come in 3. Your girl have already wore these 2. So this is the last one. They were $5.99 at Forever 21. Don't sleep on Forever 21 for your just quick little accessory pieces. Y'all, the ankle bracelet, it does something. It just makes that leg look so sexy, honey. I'm just saying, you got your kimono on, you got your swimsuit on, you got your ankle bracelets on, honey. It's a whole vibe. So grab you a couple of these. Get the silver, get your golds in, honey, and you'll thank me later. All right, so don't forget, get you some scarves. You got that bad hair day, throw that scarf on, let that thing do the twerking, honey. I'm just saying, these are all things that I pulled out of my closet to show you what I was going to be wearing this summer. Very easy breezy type stuff. My shorts, my button downs, maybe a swimsuit top under there or 2, you know. But definitely, these are a lot of the essential pieces that you should start off. So we'll call this our starter kit. We'll add more. If I add more, I definitely will let y'all know. But these are some things that I just pulled from my closet from last season and a few things that I just added in. And when I tell you, you'll be set for the summer if you got somewhere to go, girl. Thank me later. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to tell a friend what Brown Sugar Doll is over here doing. I hope you learned something, okay? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss a thing. Remember, I drop a video every Sunday, and I hope that you guys are enjoying this. Please share the video. I'll talk to you guys later. It's about to be summer, and we got to slay. Peace.